Hello, my name is Lalita and I had attended a 6-day workshop on Elementor conducted by Mr. Jackson Monichan. When I started, I didn't even know the difference between a theme and a page builder. But Mr. Jackson was very helpful. He would teach all the topics in great depth, clear all our doubts, and give us ample time for practicing. And while practicing, if we encountered any difficulty, he would clear those also. What I liked the most was the way he had structured the course, the way he followed a step by step procedure in teaching us in depth, so that when we work out, we did not have any difficulty in following his instructions. I was under the impression that WordPress is not for me, but Mr. Monichan changed the whole thing, and now I am confident that I am able to build any WordPress website with Elementor confidently. Thank you.